Hey there! In this lecture, we will look at different types of web APIs and how they differ from each other. So let's get going. The most commonly used web APIs include REST-based APIs, SOAP-based APIs, GraphQL-based APIs, XML RPC, and WebSockets. Let's have a look at each of them in more detail. REST, representational state transfer, is one of the most common categories of web-based APIs. Based on Uniform Resource Identifiers (URIs) and HTTP protocol, REST-based APIs use JSON for data formatting, which is browser compatible. During the course of this project, we will be discussing REST-based APIs and how to interact with them using Postman. Next, we have SOAP-based APIs, which use a type of protocol known as Simple Object Access Protocol, which is a common communication protocol. After SOAP, we have GraphQL-based APIs, which are a newer form of web-based APIs. GraphQL is a query language and server-side runtime for application programming interfaces (APIs) that prioritizes giving clients exactly the data they request and no more. Let's have a look at XML RPC. XML RPC, Extensible Markup Language Remote Procedure Call, can be described as another type of API protocol which differentiates itself in terms of information security and the use of XML format that is specifically designed for transferring data. Last but not the least, let's talk about WebSockets. A two-way interactive communication session between the user's browser and a server can be made smoother and faster with the help of an organized set of APIs known as WebSockets. WebSocket APIs play a vital role in helping receive event-driven responses, and they also help in easier management of sending messages to a server. Most popular messaging apps, such as WhatsApp, use WebSockets to deliver messages between users. This was a brief overview of the types of web-based APIs currently being used today. Thanks and happy learning!